Mpox is a disease caused by the Mpox virus, belonging to the same family as the smallpox virus. However, Mpox is usually less severe than smallpox. The first human case of Mpox was recorded in 1970 in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Since then, outbreaks have been reported in several other Central and Western African countries. Mpox is a zoonotic disease, meaning it can spread from animals to humans. Rodents are suspected to be the primary carriers. Human-to-human transmission is possible but less common, usually requiring close contact with an infected person. The recent global outbreak has raised concerns worldwide, as the virus has spread to countries outside of Africa. The World Health Organization declared the Mpox outbreak a public health emergency of international concern in July 2022. Understanding the basics of Mpox, its history and its potential for transmission is crucial. This knowledge empowers individuals to protect themselves and their communities. Mpox is primarily found in Central and Western Africa, where it is endemic in several countries. However, the recent outbreak has shown a different pattern, spreading to countries where it was not previously detected. This spread has been largely attributed to international travel and human-to-human transmission. Cases have been reported in Europe, North America, South America, and Asia. The global distribution of Mpox is a cause for concern, highlighting the potential for the virus to spread rapidly across borders. The interconnected nature of the world means that an outbreak in one part of the world can quickly become a global health issue. Tracking the spread of Mpox is crucial for implementing effective control measures. This involves surveillance, contact tracing, and isolation of infected individuals. International collaboration is essential to share information and resources to contain the outbreak. Effective control measures depend on timely and accurate data sharing. The Mpox virus is a double-stranded DNA virus, belonging to the orthopox virus genus. It has a characteristic brick-shaped structure unique to pox viruses. The genetic makeup is complex, encoding various proteins. Understanding this is crucial for developing diagnostic tests and vaccines. Two clades exist, Central African and West African. The Central African clade is more severe. Research is ongoing to understand the virus's biology and evolution. Mpox is a zoonotic disease primarily transmitted from animals to humans. Evidence suggests that rodents, such as rope squirrels and Gambian-pouched rats, may play a role in its transmission. Humans can acquire the virus through contact with infected animals, bites, scratches, or handling of infected animals or their bodily fluids. Consumption of undercooked meat from infected animals can also lead to transmission. Human-to-human transmission is possible but less common, usually requiring close contact with an infected person. This contact can involve respiratory droplets, bodily fluids, or contact with contaminated materials like bedding or clothing. The virus can also be transmitted through the placenta from a pregnant woman to her fetus, leading to congenital Mpox. Understanding the different modes of transmission is crucial for implementing effective prevention strategies. These strategies include avoiding contact with potentially infected animals, practicing good hygiene, and isolating infected individuals. The incubation period for Mpox is typically between 6 and 13 days. Initial symptoms are flu-like: fever, headache, muscle aches, and exhaustion. A rash develops, starting on the face and spreading. The rash evolves from flat red lesions to raised bumps. These bumps crust over and fall off. Recognizing symptoms is crucial for early diagnosis. Seek medical attention immediately if you experience symptoms. While most people with Mpox recover fully, some individuals may experience complications. These complications can range from mild to life-threatening. One potential complication is secondary bacterial infections, which can occur when the Mpox lesions become infected with bacteria. This can lead to skin infections, pneumonia, or sepsis. Another complication is encephalitis, which is inflammation of the brain, causing seizures, confusion, and other neurological problems. In severe cases, it can be fatal. Eye infections are also a potential complication, leading to conjunctivitis or even vision loss. Long-term effects of Mpox can include scarring from the rash and psychological effects, such as anxiety or depression. The risk of complications is higher in individuals with weakened immune systems. It is important to monitor for complications and seek medical care if they arise. Diagnosing Mpox can be challenging because its initial symptoms are similar to other common illnesses. Therefore, a thorough medical history and physical examination are crucial. Laboratory testing is essential to confirm the diagnosis. The most common test is polymerase chain reaction, PCR testing, which detects the genetic material of the Mpox virus in samples taken from skin lesions, blood, or other bodily fluids. Differential diagnosis is an important aspect of Mpox diagnosis, involving ruling out other conditions that can cause similar symptoms. Early diagnosis and prompt treatment are crucial for improving outcomes and preventing the spread of Mpox. If you suspect you may have Mpox, it is essential to seek medical attention immediately. Accurate diagnosis can prevent further transmission. Timely intervention is key. There is no specific treatment for Mpox, but supportive care is essential to manage symptoms and prevent complications. This may include rest, hydration, pain relief, and wound care. In some cases, antiviral medications may be used to treat Mpox. Tecovirimat, also known as Mpox, is an antiviral drug that has shown promise in treating Mpox in animal studies. It is available under an investigational new drug protocol from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Cidofovir and brincidofovir are other antiviral medications that may be considered in certain cases. However, these medications can have serious side effects and are usually reserved for severe cases. The decision to use antiviral medications is made on a case-by-case basis. Supportive care remains the cornerstone of treatment. Effective management can prevent complications. Preventing Mpox is crucial. Vaccination is one of the most effective ways. The smallpox vaccine provides cross-protection. Studies show it's about 85% effective. Two vaccines are licensed in the US, ACAM 2000 and Jynneos. Jynneos is approved for high-risk adults. Other preventive measures can help reduce the risk. Avoid contact with potentially infected animals. Practice good hygiene by washing hands frequently. Avoid touching your face with unwashed hands. Avoid contact with sick people and disinfect surfaces. Follow these measures to reduce the risk of Mpox. The recent global outbreak of Mpox has prompted a swift and coordinated public health response. The World Health Organization has been at the forefront of coordinating global efforts to contain the outbreak. Public health response strategies have focused on several key areas: surveillance and case identification. Establishing robust surveillance systems to rapidly identify and track cases is crucial. This involves monitoring healthcare facilities, laboratories, and communities for suspected cases. Contact tracing and isolation. Once a case is identified, contact tracing is initiated to identify and monitor individuals who may have been exposed to the virus. Isolation of infected individuals is crucial to prevent further transmission. Vaccination efforts have been ramped up in many countries, particularly among high-risk groups. Providing accurate and timely information to the public is essential for raising awareness and promoting preventive measures. The Mpox outbreak has significant global health implications. The spread of the virus to countries where it was not previously detected highlights the interconnected nature of the world. The outbreak has also highlighted existing health inequities. Many of the countries most affected by Mpox have limited resources and healthcare infrastructure. International collaboration is crucial for addressing the global challenge of Mpox. This includes sharing information and expertise, providing financial and technical assistance, and coordinating research efforts. Developed countries have a responsibility to support countries with limited resources. Addressing the global threat of Mpox requires a coordinated and collaborative effort. By working together, we can control the current outbreak and prevent future ones. Collective action is essential for global health security. The Mpox outbreak serves as a stark reminder of the importance of public health preparedness. As we move forward, it is crucial to prioritize awareness, research, and community engagement. Raising awareness about Mpox is essential for empowering individuals to protect themselves and their communities. Continued research is vital for improving our understanding of Mpox and developing more effective diagnostics and treatments. Community engagement is crucial for ensuring that public health interventions are culturally sensitive and accessible. The Mpox outbreak is a global challenge that requires a collective response. By prioritizing awareness, research, and community engagement, we can control the current outbreak and prevent future ones. Together, we can build a safer and healthier world for all. If you think that our content is helpful and informative, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for further information. Thank you.